This video is to provide users with an overview of the pre-migration analysis report that can be generated using the MetaVis tool. Prior to running any migration, one step that we generally recommend is to use the pre-migration analysis tool within the MetaVis platform. To do that, you can choose any site that you have a connection to and click the migration analysis button in the ribbon. It'll pre-populate with the specific URL for the site you've chosen. You can also choose a target location. For example, if you're moving a subsite to being a subsite in the target collection, you can choose that as well. The more stuff you populate here, you don't have to choose the target, but the more you provide, the more accurate and more useful the analysis will be. By default, we only check the options associated with site and list analysis. This is mostly for performance. We pre-populate a few values based on some common set limitations that exist. For example, the 5,000 item for list view threshold. These are again just preset because they're common. If you need to change these or use different values, go ahead. The analyze items, the reason we don't pre-select that is because it will take longer. Anytime we touch items with the tool, it's going to have to crawl through all the items. It will take a little bit longer to do the analysis. You can certainly choose it and choose to use the various options we have here. That will provide a more useful analysis. It'll allow you to identify things like file path length, how that changes into URLs and such. So typically, if you can, we do recommend doing it, but understand that it will take longer. In addition, if you have any questions about specific options that are available, please use the blue help bubbles. They'll give you a little bit more detail on each option. Lastly, you can choose to generate script or schedule. This will allow you to schedule when a analysis starts. So like I said, if you use the analyze items options, it will take longer, and sometimes the load is not something customers want to put on during normal business hours. So by using the schedule option, you'll be able to schedule it over a weekend or something where the normal load on the server is reduced.